guys, welcome back for a YouTube video, and I will be playing with slime. Okay, so here's my first slime. But before we get started, make sure you click that subscribe button down below, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Now, let's get started. First, I have this really small slime. It's like really small because it's a small container. It has great texture. So that wasn't me. Here's the slime. See, look. If I do this and I do this, I did it last time, so it wasn't me. So it's really great texture. You can really hold it in your hands and play with it. Like I can really throw a basketball. Even though I can't juggle, but it's great texture. It's really like you could hear it. Anywho, let's do the next one. The next one is a really weird color. It's freezing because it was in the garage, but it's like a really weird color. I mixed colors and it's like a dark tan, maybe. It's like a dark tan, but it's really cool. It's so great slime, really good texture. It's really like wet a little, but it's not like watery, unlike some slimes. Then I made this slime. Now this slime is amazing. It is really sticky and has great texture. And it's so fun to play with. I put a bunch of glitters in it. You can't see it, but I put probably like a half a gallon of shaving cream into it, and it's so floppy. Oh, we got a little incident right here. Hold up. Okay, let's clean my hands and make it a phone call from someone. Having a little trouble here. Okay, here we go. Okay, got a little wash of these hands. Good. Well, I'm not gonna play with this one a lot because it's really watery. Oh, ooh, that's dirty. Okay, let's just move on to the next one because, yeah, let's just do that. Now, I cannot play with this one. It is too watery that I can barely touch it. Look. It comes out dry because it's like I'm dipping water. Last but certainly not least is the big container slime. Even though this slime is not, it's really like, I love the color. It's like the one that turned out bad, but I love it. It's really cool and awesome. So these were my slimes. I know it wasn't a good YouTube video when I said click my bell because you want to see tomorrow's video. It wasn't good. But I thought you guys would be interested, so subscribe, give a big thumbs up, and peace out.